Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Sri Lankan favorite condensed milk toffee, also known as kiri toffee. Most people believe the milk toffee takes a long time to cook on the stove, but today I am going to show you something different. Yes, we are making this traditional sweet in the microwave. Many people don't believe milk toffee can be made this way, but I will show you simple, easy and quick method to get the same rich, creamy flavor and perfect texture. So if you love the Sri Lankan sweet and want to an easier way to make them at home, this recipe is for you. Let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are now displayed on the screen. You can pause the video here and write them down if you like before we begin. To start this recipe, you will need a large microwave safe bowl. It is very important to use a big bowl. Otherwise, the mixture may spill over in the microwave while cooking. Add 395 ml of good quality condensed milk into the bowl. Then take 2 tablespoons of fresh milk and rinse the condensed milk thin to collect all the goodness left inside and pour that into the bowl as well. Now add about 1 cup of sugar. My cup is slightly less than full. Next, prepare your tray for the final toffee. Grace all your utensil and the tray with butter so everything is ready before cooking start. We will also need about 1 tablespoon of butter, some crushed cardamom and cashew nut cut into small pieces. I have lot of cashews here, but you don't need to use all of them. You can also use peanut or simply make this without nuts if you prefer or have allergy. Now mix everything well. Once it is well combined, place the bowl in the microwave and cook on high power for the 6 minutes. After that, we will check the mixture and see how much longer it needs. I will explain what just happened. Even though I used the large bowl, the mixture still started to spill over in the microwave a little bit. So I stopped the microwave. That point, it had been cooking for 5 minutes and 15 seconds. I had to stop it early because it was starting to overflow. Now you need to stir the mixture very well and then place it back in the microwave for 2 minutes on high power. This is how the mixture look like after the next 2 minutes. Give it really good stir, scraping down the side of the bowl and mixing everything well. I put it back into the microwave for another 2 minutes. From this point, we are cooking in the shorter in time intervals. Now you need to check it constantly and stir well each time so it cooks evenly and does not burn or overflow. This is how the mixture look like after 10 minutes. Now I am adding my crushed cardamom, about a teaspoon of butter and all of my nuts. Yes, I am adding all the cashew nuts, but you can add less if you prefer. You can also use peanut or simply skip the nuts if you want. Mix everything well and then place it back in the microwave for another 1 minute. Now this is after 11 minutes. Give it a good stir again and put it back into the microwave for another minutes. This is how it like after 14 minutes. I will put it back in for another 30 seconds and I will show you after. Now the milk toffee is ready. It is in total it took about 14 minutes and 30 seconds to reach this perfect texture. This exact time may vary depending on your microwave power. So it might be slightly less or little more. Now you can see the mixture has correct texture and it doesn't stick to the spatula. Now I am spreading it onto the buttered tray, leveling it nicely and leaving it aside for about 10 minutes to cool and set. After that, I will show you how to cut the toffee. It can be a little difficult to cut very smooth pieces because of the nuts, but the taste is still absolutely delicious. If you want perfectly smooth pieces, you can make this without adding nuts. However, in my opinion, this is quite sweet treat. So adding nuts help balance the sweetness and gives a nice texture and flavor. And here is my Sri Lankan kiri toffee made easily in the microwave. You can see the beautiful texture and the golden color. The toffee is rich, creamy and full of delicious condensed milk flavor with the nice crunch of cashew nuts and the aroma of cardamom. This sweet treat is perfect to enjoy with a hot cup of tea or coffee, whether it's in the evening or even at breakfast time. You can also make this delicious milk toffee for special occasion like Sinhala and Tamil New Year and share it with your family and friends. If you are interested, I also have another video showing how to make milk toffee on the stove. You can check out that video on my channel and get a simple idea of how to prepare delicious milk toffee at home. If you enjoy this recipe, please share this video with others and subscribe to my channel to support me and help my channel grow. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in my next delicious recipe.